I'm Liz Westerfeld, and I'm the Young Adult Generalist at the John L. Dart branch of the Charleston County Public Library. I'm also the artist of Owlbert, our library mascot, and today I want to invite you to be an Owlbert artist. So we're having a program called Where's Owlbert? And with that, you will see on our social media Owlbert out and about in the town, and we're asking you to draw your own Owlbert or make him out of any materials you choose and put him up in your window or take photos of him around your house or out in your yard and then tag Charleston County Public Library on social media. If you want a little inspiration for this, I'm going to show you today how I draw Owlbert and invite you to draw along. All we need is a piece of paper and some sort of drawing tool. I'm using a permanent marker here. So let's get started. Our first step is to draw 2 circles that are Owlbert's eyes. That's the most noticeable thing about him to me because owls have big eyes. So let's draw 2 large circles sort of at the top of your paper. It doesn't have to be all the way at the top because we're going to need to put some more lines up here. But go ahead and draw those 2 circles. If your lines don't look exactly the way that you want them to, I encourage you not to erase, but instead just redraw the line the way that you want it to look. Next, we're going to draw a triangle for his beak, and that triangle will point down. So draw a straight line across, 1 line down, and another line to meet that line and make a triangle. Next, draw a curved line on, over these 2 circles. And then we will draw his owl ears. Owlbert is a great tufted owl, and they have big tufts on their ears, so we have to represent those. We're going to draw a straight line out, and then another line out and down. That kind of makes a little tent shape. And then draw a line back and down. Owlbert is symmetrical, and what symmetrical means is if we imagine that we drew a line right down the middle, both sides will be a mirror image of each other. So the same thing on each side, but mirrored. So we have to draw his ear in a similar way on the other side. So we'll do a straight line up, straight line out, straight line in, and straight line down. Now extend these lines down. You can kind of curve them out just slightly. And we are going to draw his chin feathers. So we're going to use a special line for that. It's called a scalloped edge. And that just means it's several, or the way that it looks is that it's several semicircles in a row. This is one of my favorite lines to draw. It's just really fun to me, and I hope that you enjoy it too. Oh, there's his feathery chin. So we also are going to draw Owlbert's strong brows. Owlbert thinks a lot, and sometimes he kind of scrunches up his face. So we see that in his brow line here. We're going to draw a line here at the inside of his ear all the way down to meet his beak. And on the other side, that's starting to look like Owlbert. Let's go ahead and put 2 small lines here on his beak for nostrils. And we're going to put some more details in on his eyes. So draw another set of circles inside the first set. And our last step for his face will be to draw his pupils. And wherever we place these circles, it will make him look like he's looking one way or another. So if you want him to look down, You draw the circle here sort of at the bottom, touching the line of the other circle. You can make him look up by drawing them at the top. I'm going to make him looking to the side. So I'll draw a circle there and a circle there. So he's kind of looking off to the side. Now we can draw his wings. Draw 2 curved lines all the way down, and feel free to fill your entire paper. If you want to, you can make Owlbert really small in the middle, but go ahead and stretch him out so that he fills the entire paper. It'll feel really good, I promise. We're going to do another scalloped line. This one's bigger because it's his wing feathers, and those feathers are bigger. So draw that scalloped line, 1, 2, 3, up to meet his chin feathers. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3. There are his wings. We will draw his body feathers with a 3rd scalloped line, and this one is kind of medium sized, so it's not as small as his chin, not as large as his wings. And it goes right across the middle to connect his wings. Draw a oval shape here in the middle for his tummy. And lastly, we will draw his sharp owl claws. So we're going to use straight lines to make this, because straight lines make things look sort of hard or sharp, while curved lines will make things look soft, like his feathers. So a line out, down, and then zigzag, back, a little curved claw, and the same thing on the other side. Zigzag, back, and a curved claw. Here's Owlbert. So it's time to decorate him. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. I decorated my Owlbert with crayons, but you can use any tools that you would like. And please, please, please take photos of your Owlbert around your house or out in your yard, and tag Charleston County Public Library on social media. Thank you.